Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Relooted game not launching, not opening, won't start, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the game. So for that, you have to search for the game, launch Steam, go to the store option. After you search for the game, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next solution is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, click on Steam option, now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon, now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once it is done, now launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click under general. Here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to play the game and see if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search, now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand your display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you can add it. Simply click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once the game is added, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to run a game from the installation folder or exe file. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the exe file. You simply have to double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to run the game as administrator. So for that, select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility. Here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this fixes the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, next is to delete save game file. So for that, you have to go to the users folder. So first go to the file explorer, now go to the users folder. After that, click on username folder. Now here you have to click on open app data folder. If you cannot find the app data folder, click on view, now click on show and here you have to select hidden items. So this will show you the app data folder. Now after opening the app data folder, click on local and here you have to search for the game folder. So go below and search for here is the game folder, open it and here you can see saved game data folder. So you have to delete this, but make sure to create a backup of this. So simply copy and create a backup somewhere else. After that, delete this folder. Once you have deleted this, now again click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ on Google. Opens go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. You will get setup successful message. Close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to move game to SSD. So this is an important step. If your game is not installed on SSD, then also you can come across crashing or other issues while playing the game. So you must check if the game is installed on SSD or not. If it is not installed on SSD, you are suggested to move the game to SSD. You can easily go to Steam and then click on Steam option, click on settings, and here you have to click on storage, and here you will get all the games list, whether it's installed on SSD or on other drive. So if the game is installed on other drive, you simply have to select it. So just select it from other drive and then click on move option. So this will move the game to SSD. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application, select it and click on add. Once it is added, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now launch the game and check if this works to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Relooted game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and after that launch Steam and again reinstall Relooted game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's launching or opening or not.